Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making a paper tassel. Okay, let's get on with the project. Okay, so the pieces we have here is a piece of card about 5.5 inches by 2.5 inches and a small black one for today, but you can use mirror board or any decorative bit. This is going to be the top of it. This is 1/2 inch by 2 inches. Okay, and of course your piece of ribbon to tie onto your project. Okay, so here we go. First things first is we fold our card in half and give it a good crease. Just use a creaser there. Okay, then the next thing, which I do by eye, it's up to you what you want to do if you want to measure it, but we are going to cut to about there, okay, with a pair of scissors, and you cut in both pieces, the half a piece. So off we go, and this is all we do. It hasn't got to be perfect, it's just enough so as you can get a fringe, I suppose. You can use these double multi-blade scissors, which will save you a lot of time depending on what you want to do. So there you have it. You have your half a piece cut in half and cut down the middle. Now we're going to roll this, so what I need to do is I'm going to train it to bend a little so as it's easier for me to roll it. Okay, so we're going to get our glue. And we are going to start to glue along and roll it up. I'm going to start off very tightly. Once we get it going, it should roll up nicely. When you get halfway with your glue, I'm going to put in our piece of ribbon and we're going to fold it so as we get the ribbon double. I've used in the past either ribbon, string, paper, strips of paper, or what does work really well is wool. You can use pieces of wool, which dries in nicely. So I've got that in there now, so now it's holding it. I'm going to add a bit more glue and roll the rest of it up nice and tightly. And as you can see, it's rolling up quite nicely. Just hold it for a while, and there's our tassel. Just spread out there. Wait for it to hold. Let the glue hold a bit. There you go. Now we've got our black piece. Again, I'm going to train it to come, bend it a little, and then I'm going to put some glue on and do the same as what we did with the tassel. We're going to cover the join, and then if I can get it, I'm going to roll it up nice and tightly like that. And there you go. Oh, let's straighten it up a little bit. So that's it. It's just a quick, simple project. Oh, not quite held it right. It's come undone up there. So let's hold it a bit tighter now. Let it glue. hold, and they are quite effective and really nice. And it's wonderful when people ask you, oh, I like your tassel, where you got that from? And it's such a joy to say, I made it. So now we've got our tassel held nicely. It's still a little bit wet, but it'll do for now. And then you've got plenty of ribbon to tie it on or glue it on, and then you can add embellishments and bows to it. And that's it. A nice, quick, simple project. Okay, that's our project done for today. Hope you enjoyed it, this tutorial. And please, if you give me a thumbs up, that'd be fantastic. And if you would like to subscribe, that'd be even more fantastic. And hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye.